Hello stalkers, welcome back. Wishing you all a happy weekend. Last week was very interesting, so let's start analyzing. Let's have a quick review on the DFM market index first. This is the weekly chart. We witnessed strong selling pressure last week. Market came down till about 4050 points. This was due to the external factors, as I have been mentioning, due to the geopolitical scenarios. The best part is market recovered within the same week. We can see almost 100% of this drop to the downside was covered. This clearly indicates buyers are present in the market. They are buying at the dip, and market definitely benefited out of it. If I look at the last weekly candle, this is a solid green candle. After the drop to the downside, market survived. In fact, we are seeing a bullish momentum as expected, as I have been mentioning in my previous video. Also, one of the most important thing that I would like to highlight here is market has closed above the previous candle's high. This indicates bulls are in control. Definitely we can expect upside momentum from here. On the weekly chart, just to give you a quick recap, after this breakout of bullish chart pattern, market moved up. We saw a small correction, and now market is gearing up for a move to the upside. There are good chances market may try to sustain near this zone that is below 4300 points, and then finally we may see 4400 points again. Overall, DFM market index is very positive. It's very bullish. There are very good opportunities in the market. This is the weekly chart of ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. It's also looking quite interesting. But before I proceed, let me tell you, if you are new on this channel, if you want free daily updates on ADX and DFM market, then please subscribe the channel. And after watching this video, if you think it has helped you, then do not forget to hit the like button and show your support. Last two candles are positive. We can see even ADX market dropped down till about 8,975. Obviously, this was due to the geopolitical scenarios. Market recovered successfully 100%. And with this week's closing, we can see market retested support area, that is 9,160. It bounced up. Also, it broke the support of 9,245. But the best part is it has recovered and closed above the support zone, which shows buyers are still present in the market. There are chances of continuation. However, ADX market index is not looking as strong as DFM. As I had just showed you, DFM market index weekly closing is very powerful. It's very strong. However, if we look at ADX market index, we can see some weakness. We are not seeing a solid green candle on the weekly chart. Still, we cannot call this negative. There are very good chances it may continue its upside momentum, and from here there are chances it may visit 9,400. On the weekly chart, let me give you a quick recap. Market has rebounded from 8,700 points. It's been climbing up. It did not come down for a correction. We should ignore this one, as this was due to the external factors. It's going sideways. So market usually corrects either by coming down, or either it spends time by going sideways, and then it will decide whether it wants to break out to continue its upside momentum, or it's coming down for a reversal or a deeper correction. Here we are seeing different scenario. Unlike DFM, we can see it's been going sideways for the last 3 weeks. Now this indicates there can be a good move on either side. Most likely I'm expecting it will break to the upside. Hopefully coming week we should see a closing above 9,350. So overall on the weekly chart, ADX market index is still positive. Daily chart of ADX market index is looking very powerful. There are good chances of continuation. Check this out. Market came down till about 8,975. From here we saw recovery, and it came down for a retest. This was the correction phase of this strong move to the upside, and right after this candle I had mentioned there are very good chances of continuation. We can see closing is above the resistance, that is 9,245 to 9,250 area. Closing is positive at 9,286. From here I think it may take a break, and then most likely we will see a continuation to the upside. Or in other scenario, if sentiments are really positive, if buyers are strong, there are good chances it may break out 9,350 area, and it may visit 9,400 very soon. As of now, we can again see after the correction it's rounding off. There are chances it may hit this area of minor resistance, that is between 9,320 to 9,345. Market index is looking positive and bullish too. There are good chances of continuation, and with that there are very good opportunities in ADX market as well. One of the stock that is listed in Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange is Dana. This is the daily chart. I'm really looking forward for this stock. Let me give you my reasoning and my analysis. Previously we saw this was the range where it was trading in, and it made a double bottom chart pattern. Breakout area was 0.645 to 0.650. Me and my members took many entries on the way up. We definitely benefited. We booked our profits. Resistance stands at 0.710 to 0.710 area. We can see it tried multiple times, but it was not successful. Aggressive selling pressure or profit booking was seen into this zone, and it broke the support area of 0.690, and from here we are seeing continuous decline to the downside. Dana came back exactly at the same zone. This is the neckline of the W pattern, and market rebounded exactly from the same area. This is the solid red candle that touched the base. Next day it opened with a gap up, clearly indicating buyers are now activated. From here it tried to go up, got rejected again. It spent about 4 days, and then we are seeing a breakout. Resistance of 0.670 is now taken out. Closing is at 0.673. There are very good chances coming week we can see upside momentum. Looking at the next area of resistance is at 0.690 area. Once this is taken out, I think it will try and establish the base above this area, and potentially we can see 0.700 again. Overall, Dana was previously in a strong downtrend. This trend line was acting as a resistance. Let me again share it with you, those who have missed my previous video. This is the area where Dana is getting resisted again and again, and from here we are seeing strong decline. In other words, it's in a downtrend, and from here it went sideways. This was the accumulation phase where buyers and sellers were fighting for the trend. Recently it tried for a breakout, again it was unsuccessful. We saw a deeper correction, and then finally we saw a positive breakout with good volumes which pushed the price higher till about 0.710, and from here it's correcting. So I still think Dana is positive, but still not confirmed in a uptrend. Reason is it's back at the support area, and it's below 200-day moving average as well. But Dana can start a trend. This is a very good place to resume its upside momentum and break out 0.700. If at all in negative scenario, let's be prepared. If at all it opens with a gap down, then there are chances it may again visit this area of support, that is between 0.645 to 0.650. Hopefully that does not happen and Dana goes higher from here. So guys, this was the quick weekly review. For more detailed analysis and my stock recommendations, you may join my membership by scanning this QR code. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.